Welcome to another demo. I show you how to copy data from one workbook to another using Power Automate and Excel Office Scripts code. There are no formatted tables in either of the workbooks. The business use case for this is copying data from a protected workbook once a day into a shared workbook accessible by others in the organization or team. The source workbook contains the data. The destination workbook is where the new data is copied to. Here is the Power Automate flow. The trigger is a schedule action, and the next two actions are the copy from and paste to scripts. Let's first have a look at the scripts. In the first, the CopyText, we declare the return type for the main function as a two-dimensional string array. This is for capturing the Excel table. We use usedRange method to obtain the data from the workbook. We then return that variable, data. In the next script, paste to destination, we have as an input parameter the variable data declared as a two-dimensional string array. Using the if condition to confirm if the used range has any data, we then clear that range ready for pasting to. Then, using the input parameter, we set the values of the target range to be equal to the input data variable. Let's now have a look at the flow. We can see the trigger is a recurrence set to once a day. Next, we have the first script. We have set the location as a SharePoint site and the library as well as the workbook and the script. Similarly, for the second script, we have done the same. However, here we have an input, which is of course the output of the first script. Let's test out flow. We can see the data did get copied to the destination workbook.